I will make. I will make a rice pop. I will make. Okay, this is. Yeah. I will make a rice pop bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make a rice pop bowl. I'll make this one. I use this one. Okay.
Wow, so much ice pop.
No, I just use it this one.
So much
Like that.
twist.
I'll just put for only 2 ingredients. Yeah, we can use this one. And then we can put like this. Use like this or rice pop bowl. You can use it, yeah, for the rice pop. Oh. I'll put it here. Oh. You can see. Yeah. Wait now, I'll just get one more. We'll make a rice pop again, like this. Yeah, you can use for your dessert. And yum. We'll use it this one. Rice pop bowl. Like this. We'll use a rice pop.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Can I try?
Okay. If you want.
My hand?
No, it's okay. No need. No, mama na lang. Oh. You want to try? Oh, this one. Oh, I'll use this one. Oh. This one. Oh, you roll it. Roll it.
Bowl it?
Roll it with the.
But why you say
Yeah.
bowl
Oh,
it?
this one. Oh.
How about I put it, yeah?
Yeah.
And you make it,
Wait
I
lang.
put it?
Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Peanut butter.
We make just 2 ingredients only. This one. This one is 2 ingredients. Oh no. Like this. Okay. I'll make it this one. Like this only. Then this is like a snacks. You can make it snack. Yeah.
Hey, I put it.
Later. Oh, hold it. Oh, you put it this one and put it there. Oh.
What happened?
Yeah, I put it there. Oh, one more. This is like a dessert. Yeah, you can put like a lot of kind. Rice pop bowl for your. Sometimes you can use this one for party. Oh. Put it here. You want to put it here? Yeah, like this. If you don't. Yeah, it's enough now. Okay. Yeah, all here. This is the final rice pop bowl. Okay, this is this is the rice pop bowl. Yeah, this is the final. You can use it for the dessert.